Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. What if you have big violence, anger, and rage that just flares up, feels like it flares up out of nowhere, and it's hard to control? What can you do about it with TAT, and can you really make a dent in that kind of thing? So I'm here to tell you, yes, you can, and probably faster than you could imagine. From this side, meaning the unhealed side of it, it looks really big. It could look overwhelming, hardly controllable. And that's because when you're looking at it as the condition you've been in your whole life. Probably, knowing what I know about people I've worked with, probably there's violence that was done to you. And it's just natural for a lot of us that the way that we respond to that is by being violent, being angry. It's really natural for a whole lot of us. And then as we get older, we think, gosh, where's this coming from? I don't want to keep being this way with people. I don't really want to be this way, but I just really am this way. So what's important to know is that what you're doing with TAT is giving your whole self new information. That kind of boom response doesn't need to continue. And when you do TAT, you're talking to all the parts of yourself, parts that are manifesting as physical, mental, spiritual, emotional, and energetic. And you're also talking to ancestors, because their information about how to be, what to do, ends up as part of your software. It's just part of what your body is tuned into. So you want to change that, and it does change super easy with TAT. It's just a matter of information being transferred and received, and it happens instantaneously as you do TAT. So it can look really big and impossible, but I'm here to tell you I've worked with several people who just would get really angry and violent, not want to be that way, and as we worked together, they said, I think a lot of this comes from my ancestors. And as we worked together, making the intention that we were conveying this to their ancestors, and all the parts of themselves, wherever it came from in their lives, you've had traumas, right? So wherever this anger, violence, out of control, boom, came from is all healing. Your whole system gets the information, hey, it's safe and okay for me to actually relax in the here and now. If I look through my eyes, hear through my ears, feel through my skin, I can notice I'm not in that situation anymore. It's actually safe and okay for me to relax. And through my senses, I can notice what the here and now is. And nothing bad is happening this moment. So I just want to encourage you, if you haven't, give it a try, because it works. People immediately go to more and more inner peace, because that's who we are. It's our own nature. Compassion naturally arises for ourselves and for the people who did what they did to us. It's really gives us so much to do this process. So I'm encouraging you, even when things look really big, really out of control, and we don't like the stuff that's in us, to go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.